Hello. In my kitchen, whipping up some things for tomorrow. And pretty much so been busy in my kitchen for quite some time now. So I had did my cake for tomorrow. And I did my greens. I'm about to turn them off. So got my greens. Ooh. I have to turn those baby off. That's my water for my pasta. It's my sweet potato pie. So I have to do this up real quick. I always say I want to do videos where I'm doing things like step by step. So I do have a camcorder. This is just a process of setting it up. There's a shadow. There we go. So enjoying myself in my kitchen, having a grand old time. Get my sweet potato pies together. Are you serious? Is it a puppy?
Yes.
Let me see. Let me see. And female, male.
Female.
It's a female?
Mm-hmm. She came up to me.
And what is she?
Her name Big Mama. Is she a pit bull?
She looks friendly.
Mm-hmm.
But see, I want a poodle. She is pretty. Yeah, I do like pit bulls. She is pretty.
She's so sweet.
Oh, but see, I want a poodle. That's what I want. It's a poodle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm sitting up here doing the live, and you got me all into your phone, into the doggy.
Yeah. She was smiling when I took the photos too.
Okay. I don't think this spoon is big enough. Let me see. Maybe I could do this. Here we go. Shake it on in there. Okay, here we go. Do it like that. There. Get my spoon. Okay. Now this is the cream cheese. every little bit of my cream cheese here. So what I got going on here is sweet potato pies. 2 regular sweet potato pies. And this one is the cream cheese sweet potato pie. So I got most of this out of here. Now how I made this one up, the cream cheese, is Philadelphia cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, fresh lemon juice, and 1 egg. And I mix that all together. And it tastes pretty good. So now I'm gonna put this in my sink. So go ahead and put this in. So this is gonna be the sweet potato cream cheese pie right here. I like how I got that going around. I'm trying to be neat as possible with this. I have to gently put this on top here. Now add some more. Then I have to gently. Okay, this should do it right here. All right, here we go. I gotta be like real light and gentle. Maybe just a touch, just a little bit more. I don't want to overdo it. Okay. Then, let's see, I got a lot more left over. So I'm going to have to get out another pie crust and fill that up. So it's going to be a total of 4 sweet potato pies. I should make 2 cream cheese and 2. No, I don't feel like I'm just going to make 3 regular sweet potato pies and 1 cream cheese sweet potato pie. Let me get out another pie crust here. Oh boy. It is hot, hot, hot. I'm just gonna feel it. It's up in my kitchen way too long. It'll be okay. flip this because it's hard to hold. I want to get that. There we go. Okay. Next time we'll do a video showing what I'm actually doing, how I put all this stuff together. So this is my part of my Christmas cooking. So here we have it. My sweet potato pies, 3 regular sweet potato pies. One pie is gonna be a sweet potato cream cheese pie. So I'm about to throw all these babies in the oven. Then I'm about to work on my pasta salad, and then everything else is I'm gonna do tomorrow. So I've been in my kitchen a little bit too long. My greens are done, so I'm about to put those, throw them in a bowl, throw them in the fridge, let it cool down for a bit. So just, and my cake, I did my cake earlier. I did my cake earlier, so that's already done. So this is my upside down pineapple cake. So I got that done. So that cake is not gonna last. Every time I make it, it's like Poof the Magic Dragon. It's always gone. They crush my cake all the time. So that's everybody's favorite. So I'm about to go ahead and log off of here, finish up in my kitchen for the night, then wrap it up, get me some sleep, wake up, and do it all again tomorrow. And tomorrow, that's when I really cook the really big stuff tomorrow. So this is like half of it. So I really don't, celebrate holidays and nothing like that. I just do the cooking part because everybody want me to cook, and they know I don't want to cook, so I'm just doing this for them. So happy holidays and Merry Christmas, and have a safe holiday. Peace and out. Good night.